Dumb.
Stupid.
Insane.
Crazy.
Nuts.
Dangerous.
Ludicrous.
Stinks.
Don't let your family or friends click on these buttons to request a tour. Just say no to Zillow, no to Realtor.com. You very well may end up having some strange agent who's paid for leads show up that doesn't care about them, and possibly is going to push them into a sale not best for them.
Instead, go to exposedhomes.com. This team of top professional and relationship-based realtors who will care for your family and friends will help them the right way. Just click on the Contact Us button, and they will handle the rest. You will not be disappointed.